Hi guys, wanted to remind you about my class tomorrow, August the 23rd. The link will be in the description bar. So we're going to get in this room here and get things organized. I got stuff sitting everywhere. But today's mission is to get this room organized, okay? Y'all think we can do it? I think we can. This is the most organized one out of the two rooms that I got to organize. So yeah, I definitely think we can pull this off today. Hello, and welcome to the channel. For those of you that are on for the first time, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell so that each and every time I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is Monday, y'all, and guess what I've been doing? Organizing, getting things together. And I still have a long ways to go, but I did want to show you guys that I have started to organize my items. I have one room down and two more rooms to go. But I wanted to show you what I've already done in this actual room. I'm going to show you guys some clips and a small video of what it looked like before I did get the things organized. And it may still not look organized to you, but I promise you that it is. It's just that I have so much stuff. I couldn't put everything, I just couldn't put everything together. But I did my very best to try to make everything look organized and neat. Okay, so you may be thinking like, okay, what are all these baskets for that you have? So everything that you see here, some of the items are listed on eBay. Some of the items are already being prepared for Christmas. And believe it or not, y'all, I've already started working on some things for Valentine's Day, which we did do some of these videos on channel. Okay, quite a few of them we did on channel. So that's what you see in this room. This is the room. I wanted to do this room solely with the items that I have already designed, but I have so much stuff that I had to put other things in here as well. Okay, but my eventual plan is to put everything in here that's already been designed. Okay, so some of the stuff is on eBay, some of it is on Marketplace. Some of it, like I said, is being prepared for holidays to come. And those of you that have been following me know that I've been telling you guys that I am working on my website, and it is scheduled to launch tomorrow. So yay! Okay, I will give you guys the launching information tomorrow, give you guys the website address. So some of these handbags are on my website. Some of these gift baskets are on my website. So yeah, this stuff is everywhere, being listed to sell. And because I sell so many gift baskets for the holidays, y'all know I promised you that this year I was getting started early, and I've done just that. So it's been a great, it's been a win-win across the board. I've been able to make videos, and I've also been able to get my gift basket stockpile up for the upcoming holidays. Okay, a few of these men ones here, you have seen these. I think I did these for Valentine's Day. These 4 baskets that you see right here in the front, I did these for Valentine's Day, and they were baskets that were left over. I'm going to check the dates on my popcorn and the ones that had snacks, which is only a couple. And if the dates are still good on the snacks, we're going to just resell them for Christmas coming up. Okay, so that's what's going on in this room, y'all. Look, I even have stuff under the tables. Let's see if we can bend down and show you guys what's up under the table. I have my baskets here. I also have the dish drainers that we got from Dollar General. Some of them I paid a penny. Most of them I paid $1 for. Here we have crock pots under here. We have wall sconces. We have Himalayan lamps, y'all. We got a griddle up under there. Just a little bit of everything, y'all. Let's see what we got up under this table over here. Under this table, we got more baskets, y'all. And these ain't even all of my baskets, because the majority of my baskets are in my second craft room, okay? So, these are baskets. Let's see. I got 2 rows of the little crafters boxes or crates, and now I got another empty space here. I did have all of my detergent under there, but I have used quite a bit of I have used all of that except for one, and I just went ahead and put that in the kitchen. But I had so many, I had them hidden up under the table. But that's another organization little trick or hack or whatever you can do if you have a table with a skirt. Or hey, this table don't even have a skirt, it's just a tablecloth up here, y'all. And these are some of my extra tablecloths that I'm not actually using right now. So hey, nobody's gonna be in my craft room but me, so it doesn't matter whether the tablecloths match or not. It serves the purpose, and it makes everything look nice and neat. So these are the actual tables that I use when I go out and vend. Since I have stuff set up on them now, when I get ready to go out and vend, I'm not going to take all of this stuff off at once. So what I'm going to do now is just go out and buy me like 4 or 5 more tables. Normally when I go out to vend, I take 4 tables at a time. So I'm just going to go out and buy me some more tables and call it a day. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I actually have some extra tables at my church, but the ones that I have are the heavy duty kind of old fashioned tables. I like the plastic tables better. They're still heavy, but they're not as heavy as the older tables with the wood on top. So yeah, that's what we have plans to do. So I just wanted to show you guys how I have started to organize. One of my rooms are complete. I can actually walk in without tripping down, and you'll see on the beginning of the video, this room really wasn't all that junky. It was just me coming in here, taking baskets out and having to list them, and then when I got back to put them up, I didn't put them up the way that they should. So this room was easy peasy, okay? Easy breezy. Easy peasy, easy breezy. Anyway, the next room is not, okay? So that's where the challenge is going to come in at. But for those of you that are trying to organize, hey, stack stuff on the tables, do whatever you got to do to make things look nice, neat, and presentable. You'll feel much, much better about yourself. I know that I do. And I have a lot more to go, but yeah. And look, y'all, under this table, I didn't even show y'all this. Y'all think this is a lot of blankets? No. These are just the blankets I'm going to use for Christmas, because some of them actually have Christmas stuff. Like this one got snowman on it. And a few of them have like Santa Claus. These are more so the blankets I'll be using for Christmas. But y'all, up under this table, I got 2 more whole boxes. And I mean, these are some large boxes. You can see the blankets in the box. So this whole 2 boxes is filled with blankets. So yeah, I got blankets for days. Here I have some of my rugs that I've gotten. Some of them were a penny. Some of them I paid like 50 cents for. But yeah, whenever my children need rugs in their house, or I need new rugs, all I gotta do is come in here to my stockpile. It's already here. I also use those rugs in my home baskets. Like when I use make a basket for the holidays, sometimes I put blankets. I put blankets in it, but I put rugs in there as well. And you guys will see some of that on the upcoming videos that I will do. Okay? But anyway, this is a full glimpse of this first room, y'all. Let me know in the comments how you think I did. If you think I should have done something different, hey, give your opinion. But at the end of the day, this is what it is. I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to add some more stuff to it. But I just want to know what you guys think or your take is on what I've done in this room. Okay? Like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. And I'll see you on the next video. Get your money, honey, and fill your bag until the next video. Bye-bye.